go the day. No, no. Are you ready for it, girl? We're gonna start it off right now.
I know what to do.
We're gonna start it. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Ooh, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Steve Miles here. Miles TV, another day.
Another adventure.
Woo! Guys, I just landed here in St. Louis, and my girl opens the door. Please introduce yourself to
Hi.
10 million people, girl.
What? 10 million people? Okay, what's up? My name's Kelly Garcia. I opened the door and I was shook. Right in front of me. Olives.
Yes. And then, we gotta also give a shout out to Kelsey. So like, we literally just FaceTimed Kelsey.
She had no words.
Yeah.
She had no words. She didn't even believe this was happening right now.
Kelsey also works for our airline. She got you into watching me, and I'm like, that's the fam. Nelly says she's coming to Nashville with us.
Yeah, definitely. Overnight and everything. We're gonna have fun, go out in town.
Huh? Don't you love when you randomly get selected?
No.
No?
Hi, I'm Kayla.
This is Kayla, and she just started a YouTube channel, did
Oh,
she?
no!
Oh my goodness.
I did.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Yes.
Yeah, I
What's it
gotta
called?
edit some stuff this week. Coffee with Kayla.
Coffee with Kayla.
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes coffee. And she's working in the A position today with me. She has to do all the announcements, but I'm gonna be A for you, Kayla.
Today?
All days. Yes.
Yay, you're awesome.
I know what you guys are thinking. Miles, you know, you seem like you might want to be on the announcements the whole entire time, which I really don't. I'm not a big announcements guy, but at the same time, it's like, you know, my girl Kayla, you know, she doesn't want to really be up in the front and doing all that jazz. And you actually get paid a little bit more, so, you know, I'm out here trying to buy a motorcycle, so I gotta get the funds up, you know what I'm saying? So, Anaí, ven aquí! Ven aquí, ven aquí!
I didn't do my hair today.
What do you mean you didn't do your hair, girl? Come on!
I have no gel today.
No gel?
No.
Yo, just take some of mine. Take some of mine,
Yes,
girl.
I need some of
Just
your
take it.
gel.
Just take it. Just take it. Just take it. All right, okay. All right, no, we got that super secret handshake. All right, do you remember? Come on. Oh my goodness.
Really, man? You're gonna put me on the spot like that?
Yep.
No idea. 1, 2, 3. It was something.
Yo, I don't remember either. I'm sorry, girl, you know.
You're putting me on the spot like that.
Yeah.
I've been working hard. That's why my hair's all,
Been working hard?
all over the place.
Who we got here?
My new hire, my new trainee.
New trainee. What's up, bro? What's your name, man? Thomas. Welcome to the squad, man.
Yeah.
How's Anaí treating you?
She's good.
She's good? She's good? Where are you at before this, man? What are you doing?
Denver ramp.
Denver ramp? Okay, okay. Now he's got the suit going, looking so fresh. Want to say hi to 10 million people?
10 million.
Yeah, you know. No, 10 million at some point. Maybe. All right, well, Thomas, I just want to say, welcome to the squad. Congratulations. And buena suerte, you're in very good hands.
Yes, he is.
And then out of nowhere, I was just chilling, you know, guys. I was just being me, you know, hanging out in the Chick-fil-A line. You know, I know I eat kale salads every day, and I've never had Chick-fil-A ever. But I was standing in line because it just looked like a good environment. When all of a sudden, my boy Brian pops out. Brian, introduce yourself to 10 million people, bro.
How many? 10 million or
10 million,
50
bro.
million?
What's up, bro? Where you from?
Hey man, I just got back from Chiang Mai, Thailand, okay?
Chiang Mai,
I'm a
Thailand.
truck driver in America, retired.
Hell yeah. Let's go, guys.
So, here
So,
at LAX.
Brian, yeah, we're out here in the food court at LAX, and Brian comes up to me, and I don't even, bro, what did you say? I forget. Like,
Hey man, I'm buying your lunch.
he's like, yeah, no, I'm gonna pay for that. And I'm like, huh? What? My man's been watching the videos from Thailand. Are
Chiang
you
Mai,
kidding me? Chiang Mai, Thailand. Bro, it's so dope. Like, cause you can see like what location people are like viewing from. Amazing stuff, for real. I'm not even kidding, bro. Like, I mean, I'm not really. I'm not saying I'm in a rut, but you know, sometimes you flatline and stuff. But like, my boy Brad is literally like just rejuvenating me right now. So I just want to say it was amazing to meet you. And yeah, I'll see you around.
Subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah.
10 million subscribers.
Did you guys have a good flight?
It was okay.
It was okay?
Yeah, you didn't really work hard.
What do you mean?
I don't think I saw you get up once.
I did. I had to go to the bathroom. We gotta check out the greatest stash in the flight attendant stash handbook here.
Does it still look good?
Oh my goodness, after a 4-hour flight?
Oh, personality comes out.
Man is, oh yeah, what? Oh my goodness, dude. What do you mean? I always have a personality.
Yeah, when the camera's on.
Oh my, so what am I like in real life? You wanna tell them? What am I like in real life?
Sorry, dude.
What's up, dude? Wow. And here I am, thinking that we're gonna be motorcycle bros, you know?
Hey, what'd I say about the motorcycle?
Be
safe.
careful.
Be careful.
Thank you, Angel. To be honest, I wasn't gonna be careful. I was gonna do wheelies, stoppies, flips, McTwisties, and that's what my boy Darren's gonna do because not only is he getting a Harley, he's getting a Harley. So mine comes to life and yours just dies then, huh?
Oh yeah.
We always say like, when you work with a dope crew, it's like it's not even work. So like the boys are gonna try and get another trip together at some point. We got a little group chat. We're in a buddy bid. Huh?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Huh?
Bidding down to 4 years seniority. We'll see.
Come on, you senior mamas. Come hang out with the little guys on the weekends.
Like we said, we'll just have to figure the trip together.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
But we're gonna go to the motorcycle parking, so see you later.
You missed the walk sign. Bye.
Oh yeah, dude, we're making it. We got 8 seconds. But dude, 5 seconds? I'm going.
3 seconds.
I'm good. I'm good. See ya, dude. I hope you find your dad. We're gonna scare Mary Bragg. Are you ready? Here we go. She always picks me up. I don't know why she always picks me up. I'm like, yo, I can take an Uber. You don't have to pick me up. She's like, no, I'm picking you up. I said, okay. Hey.
Hello.
What's up, Four Eyes? Why you all nervous, girl? You're turning red.
I didn't know. I was just here.
You missed me.
I miss you.
You missed me. Sorry, Mom.